Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to enable dark mode on Chrome. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome browser and tap on top right 3 dots. Now here you have to click on settings icon. Here you can see. Now here you have to scroll down a bit and click on themes. Here you have to click on the icon of theme. After that, select your dark theme here and click on it. When you click on the dark theme, the theme of your Chrome browser will automatically become dark. Thanks for watching this video.